This is the table we saw before about the missiles in the south and from Gaza. Now we have some more interesting things coming here. The first thing is worthwhile pointing out that the skip of letters between letter to letter is 131 letters, which is the same numerical value like the evil angel, which according to Kabbalah is in Gaza, as is brought in books of Kabbalah, Kilat Yaakov. The numerical value of Gaza, in Hebrew, if you write it fully, Ayin Zayin A, it comes to 131, and 131 is the evil angel Samech Mem Aleph Lamed. Amazingly, you have it really coming here. You can see here this evil force comes, Samech Mem Aleph Lamed. Now we know quite well that also Shimshon, who was fighting with the Philistine, with Delilah, known to be also, he was fighting against the evil force, which is a female of this evil force, which is the Lilith, Lamed Yudah Melutaf. You have here also parallel. And all this have to do with the evil forces. And also all of them, as we know quite well, have to do with the Amalekite. You have Amalekite here. So, looking on this table, as we saw before, missiles in the south, Tilim Badarom, which is terror, comes here. And the verses, which really unfortunately brings these errors, when we don't keep Torah mitzvot, אם לא תשמע לשון אלוקיך, then the curse, כל החלאות האלה, all these curses come to you and reach you. So you have your Patach, you have Asher PLO, you have evil forces, and this year also, as we saw clearly, this minimum the Torah, Eitav Shinrangin, as we saw quite well, that these missiles came on this year, and Mechabel, you have the Mechabel here, the terrorists here. So altogether, a very interesting table, as we saw before. Also, Gaza is a place of evil. Min hashamayim yardu alecha, from heaven they are coming up with all these missiles. So interesting table, as we saw before, and also fits the Kabbalah, which says that Gaza is a place of these evil forces, the masculine Samech Men El, and the Meyalel, the Lilith, which is a feminine. So Gaza is really the source of evil forces, which become strong, as we know quite well, of not keeping Torah mitzvot, as we know quite well, that those powers become strong when, unfortunately, Jews are sinning. All these kind of sins you have to do with lust and pride, everything definitely brings them power, and this is how they become, unfortunately, be able to shoot, and Israel are not able to stop it for almost 12 years. So the reason is, as we said, because not keeping Torah mitzvot, keeping these problems, and therefore to solve these problems is very, very difficult. So, interesting table, as we said, and worthwhile studying it, and knowing that only keeping Torah properly will save us from all these problems that we are having now.